Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. In this video, we will be talking about how drinking 1 glass of ladyfinger can be beneficial for your body. Okra or ladyfinger is among the favorite dishes of many people. Not just its taste is delicious, but the vegetable is also a powerhouse of immunity and has many proven benefits for the body. Having only 30% calories, okra is a good source of vitamin C and magnesium. You must have eaten different types of ladyfinger cooked in various ways and have savored its taste in many ways. But there is another way in which you can derive the countless benefits of the vegetable, which is drinking okra water. It is considered beneficial for your health. If you regularly drink ladyfinger water for 7 days, your body might go through some miraculous changes. Let's explore how some of the amazing benefits of okra water in this video. But first, let's see how to prepare okra water. Take 2 fresh ladyfinger and cut the edges out. Then cut the okra in the center and soak it in 1 cup of water. Let it sit overnight and then squeeze the okra water in a cup next morning. Add more water to it and drink on an empty stomach. Nutritional values found in a glass of okra water. Carbohydrate 6 grams. Folate 80 micrograms. Fiber 3 grams. Protein 2 grams. Benefits of drinking okra water controls diabetes. It might be interesting for you to know that okra water is very beneficial for getting rid of diabetes. Drinking okra water for 1 month on an empty stomach can help you combat chronic diabetes. Improves hemoglobin content in blood. Many people, especially ladies, often face lower hemoglobin content in their blood. With deficiency of hemoglobin, many health issues like anemia can happen. If you have a deficiency of hemoglobin in blood, drink a glass of okra daily and it will increase the amount of red blood cells in your body rapidly. You can witness the changes in a few days. Improves eyesight. As okra is abundant of vitamin A, it can help you in improving your eyesight. When left oversight, okra's elements go into the water, making it easier to absorb the vitamin. Drinking okra water for 7 days regularly can maintain your eyesight. Helps cure respiratory disease. It is believed that okra water also helps in improving respiratory diseases like asthma and bronchitis. For those who face difficulty in breathing, must consume okra water on empty stomach daily in the morning. Helps lose weight. If you want to reduce your weight, then okra water can be very helpful. See the difference by consuming it continuously and dedicatedly for 1 month. Keeps your heart healthy. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, which helps in reducing cholesterol. Consuming okra water daily can reduce the risk of heart attack to a great extent. For more such piece of information, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.